Hello, this is Wenyao Cheng demonstrating CMS project for week 9. So this week we implement the database into all of our contact messages and documents. And so just to do a test, I will delete one of the document, and when I refresh it, it is gone. It's not loading from the mock document anymore. And then we can also add a new one and save and show up here. And then even the message as well, we can send a new message, hello, hi, and send. And then we can refresh and it is still loading. We can also test the context. I will create a mock one so that I can delete this one. And then I can save, and then here's the mock contact. I can delete it and then refresh and it is gone. Alright, thank you for watching.